Okay, so how you can do, or the virtual interface network card, how you can create, you will have to use the Hyper-V manager. Here it is. And inside the Hyper-V manager, you can create the virtual switch. Either you can create a virtual switch, either you can create a virtual machine. It is depend on you. So I am going to show you the demo how you can create a virtual network. So first I am going to select which one you want to, which type of the switch. External, when you want to connect with the ISP internet, you will have used this. Then you click on the new. Here you can change the virtual machine, like I am giving the network plus demo. Either I can use here any name, I can give the name here, the GeoISP. So this is the name I have given here, and how you want to connection type. Like there is a multiple adapters, so which adapter you are going to be select. So it will create a bridge on that, and later on you can click on the OK and apply whatever. Maybe the network will be disrupt your connectivity. It will going to be apply some changes, and the network will be display here. So that is the reason you can enable the any network, multiple switches you can create. So when you click on the virtual switch manager, so you can see here this is already has been created. And if you want to create any specific node, you want to use the node, so you can use here. And another thing is you can change the MAC address range also. Like you want to use the MAC address range here, so you can change this from here to here, and anything you can change it if you want to change the MAC address range. Otherwise you can do it. So once you will have create the virtual switch, and I am also going to show you how you can create the virtual machines, virtualization, how you can create the virtual machine. Once you will click on the virtual machine, you just select here before you begin. Then you are going to be next. Here you are going to be give the virtual machine name. Like I am going to use the Windows 16, server Windows 2016, or you can create the Kali Linux machine. Whatever you want to create the machine name, give the machine name here, then click on the next. On the next, which type of the virtual machine, 32-bit support or the 64 guest operating system, or you want to check the UFI based, so which type of the operating system you are going to be used. So because you will have to select this wisely, you cannot change later on. So, and here you will have to provide the memory RAM, minimum memory RAM, 4 GB for the Windows 2016. Now click on the next. Here you can provide the connection, which switch you want to connect. The default GeoISP I have created sometime before. So I am going to select this one, then click on the next. Here the virtual machine, which BHDX, this is the extension. So how much, where you want to save this hard disk, you can browse any other location if you want to save on other location. So inside the VM, I am going to, in 2016, I want to select this folder and want to save this machine there. Okay, and either you have already existing machine, means if you want to import the already created machine, so you can select the particular existing hard disk. Either you can attach the hard disk later, it's depend on you. So I am going to select here, create the virtual hard disk, and then next. And here, do you want to install operating system now, either the later on? So it is depend. If you want to here install now, so you will have to select the image file and select the image file. Inside the ISO image, there is a Windows Server 2016. Select this one and then click on the next, and here you will have to do the finish. Either you can have the check out the virtual machines you have provided, all the things are fine, then you can finish on that. Once you will do the finish, everything will be ready for you. Here you can see the virtual machine has been created here, and you just click on that, and you just click on the start, and everything will be started, and your installation will be start. You will have to follow the same steps to install the virtual machines on the hypervisor as you have installed on a real machine. Okay, so I am going to close this one. So it is running. I have to turn off this one, so it is turned off. All right, so if you want to delete that particular machine, so you will have to just click on the delete, and it will say you, do you want to delete the machine? And so I am going to click on the delete machine. So machine will be deleted, and all the settings also will be deleted. Okay, so I hope you have understand how you can create the virtual switch as well as the virtual machine inside Windows 11 or Windows 10 machine.